guys, welcome to my channel. This is Deepika Eldu and today I'm going to do my product empties. I've actually gathered up a lot of empty products and I've just been storing everything in a bin just to show it to you guys and then get rid of them. So let's get started. The first thing are these BBlunt shampoo and conditioners. These are the mini size which you get for 100 rupees and they have about 50 ml and 28 grams in there. This is the conditioner and this is the shampoo. I wasn't really impressed by the shampoo, so I didn't bother buying the bigger version, but I really like this conditioner, so I bought the bigger version. And I would definitely recommend you guys to actually go ahead and try this out. If you don't want to invest in the bigger one, it was about 350 rupees or something. You can definitely go ahead and try this one. This is just 100 rupees. If you're interested, I'll put the link down below in the description box. Definitely check that out. Moving on to the powders, I have these two Lakme compacts. These are actually, this one's for my mom and she kind of finished it. So she threw it in my bin, so I just have it with me. This is the Natural Radiance Compact. She really liked it, but there are not many shades available in this, so I don't really know if you guys will be able to get your shade in it. If you guys are interested, it's a pretty cheap and good compact. You can definitely try this out. Ouch! It's okay. And this is the second one. This is what I bought for myself. This is the Flawless Matte Complexion Compact. This is something that you can definitely use for touch-ups, but I wouldn't really recommend this for a proper setting your makeup with. Here I've got Ganna BB cream and this is a smaller size. I think I bought this for about 99 rupees or something, and I wouldn't really recommend this for people who have really oily skin. If you have dry skin, then definitely check this out. It will really suit your skin. And also this is very much for Indian skin tones. It's very dark. I mean, even for my skin tone it is a little bit darker, but if you blend it out nicely, it works fine, so you don't have to worry about that. If you have really fair skin, then I don't think if you would want to try this. You can definitely go for the Pond's BB cream. That is a lighter shade. This BB cream doesn't really provide a lot of coverage. If you want, you can maybe layer it on, but still all it will do is blur out your blemishes and that's about it. It is more like a tinted moisturizer. One more thing, it has SPF 24, which is a really good thing, so I would definitely suggest you guys, if you have dark skin tone and you have dry skin, check this out, you'll like it. Then I have this original Lakme lipstick. This is the first line that they ever launched, I guess, and my mom is obsessed with these lipsticks. She loves them, and this is like a magenta color. I don't really have the shade numbers, so don't ask me. It's completely rubbed off from this, so I have no clue. If you guys are interested in a cheap lipstick which has good pigmentation as well as staying power, then definitely check this out. It's really good. Moving on to my lip care products. These are the Nivea lip creams. I'm obsessed with them. I've been obsessed with them since I was about 15 years old, I think, and I've always had backups of this everywhere. Makeup bag, school bag, college bag and work bag also. So you can imagine how much I love these, and I'm pretty sure that most of you girls out there also like these. But if you're someone who's not tried them, then definitely go ahead and try them out. They're very cheap. They're, I think, 120 rupees or something like that, and they're really good. They come in different flavors and colors. I definitely prefer the color ones and flavor ones over the plain ones. I don't know, it's just my preference, and I would definitely suggest you guys to go ahead and try them out. They're really good. And I actually have like almost each tube of every color and every scent. That obsessed I am about them. This is the second skincare product I have in my bin. This is the Lactocalamine. I think most of you girls use it, but I was not really aware of this and was introduced to it quite recently, I think about 6 months back. It doesn't feel oily and it doesn't feel really matte. It's the perfect combination. I use this as a moisturizer before applying my makeup or before going to sleep. It's a really good lotion and I would definitely suggest you guys to try it out if you have some breakouts happening, just to tame your skin and the reactions happening. Then comes the clear gel. I've already done a review and I think I have done review on 2 or 3 items that I've mentioned. So if you guys are interested, again, the links will be in the description box. Check them out. And this product is something that I've definitely raved about to everyone I meet. This is really good and life-changing. I've definitely recommended you guys in the fast as well. I think you can actually see the condition of the product and know that how much I love it. Definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check this out because it's a miracle product. At least it's been for me, and I'm pretty sure that it will be for you too. If you guys are interested, I'll put the link to that video here. Definitely check that out. And also, this is good. Go ahead and buy it. Next product is Bio Oil, and it's basically is a porcelain oil. I hope that's how you pronounce it. And it has breakthrough ingredients which help to fade away your scars or stretch marks. And basically how you apply this is you massage it into your skin wherever you have the stretch marks or the scars, and you have to apply it regularly and twice in a day as what is recommended on this bottle. I did that and I finished this bottle in about 1 or 1.5 months, I think. I did see a slight fading in my stretch marks. I have very few, but I really wanted to get rid of them, and I think it did work very slightly. So I think I'll have to finish out 5-6 bottles of this just to make them completely vanish away. That was my view about this. I'm kind of on a fence about giving it another go and actually buying another bottle and trying it out. If you guys have actually tried it out, then definitely let me know and tell me what are your experiences. Did it work for you or not, and is it worth even investing in another bottle of this? We are on the last product, guys, and this is the last product. This is basically L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Smoothing Serum, and I'm obsessed about serums. I think you guys already know that. I really like this product. It delivers what it promises, so I don't have any problem with it. It doesn't give a lot of shine or detangle your hair anything, but it definitely smoothens your hair and definitely brings down the frizz to a large extent. It has silk protein, and that is what makes your hair actually smooth and kind of silky. So I'm really happy with this product. I'm not really sure if I'll buy actually another bottle of this because I already have this Total Repair 5's L'Oreal serum. This is my favorite one so far. So I'm not sure even if I finish this, I probably will go and buy this one again. I don't know if I'll actually try this again or not. One last little product, guys, and this is the Zuki hand sanitizer, and this is in the flavor citrus lime. I love this flavor and this is one of my favorite in the line, and I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and try them. I've already done a giveaway on them and I think you guys really liked it. So if you guys are interested and you can get this online or maybe in a store nearby you, then definitely check them out. That was my video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, definitely comment down below and like and share this video. If you guys want to know what I do on a daily basis, then follow me on my social media, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you there. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I have lots more videos coming up, some maybe collaborations as well. So you definitely don't want to miss them. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.